Which color has the shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum? Correct answer, violet. Violet has the shortest wavelength and red has the longest wavelength. Next question. Who is known as Bismarck of India? Correct answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Bismarck of India. He was also known as the Iron Man of India. Next question. Which was the first state to implement the Panchayati Raj system in post-independent India? Correct answer, Rajasthan. Rajasthan was the first state to implement the Panchayati Raj system in post-independent India on 2 October 1959 in the Nagaur district. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was the first committee recommended for Panchayati Raj system. Next question. Where did Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon? Correct answer, Sarnath. Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath, and Gautam Buddha gave his last sermon at Kushinagar and attained Mahaparinirvana in 483 BC. Next question. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Correct answer, Bengaluru. The headquarters of ISRO is situated in Bengaluru. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is considered as the founding father of the ISRO. ISRO was formed in 15 August 1969. Next question. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. He is also known as the father of Constitution of India. Next question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Correct answer, Antarctic desert. Although many believe the Sahara Desert is the largest desert, but Antarctica is actually the largest desert in the world. The desert is defined by low precipitation, not temperature. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 12 to 35. Next question. Which Mughal emperor built a Red Fort in Delhi? Correct answer, Shah Jahan. The Red Fort in Delhi was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1648. The fort is made of red sandstone. Next question. Who was the first president of India? Correct answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of independent India. He took office on 26 January 1950 when India became a republic. Next question. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Correct answer, 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between the British East India Company and Siraj-ud-Daulah, and the British won the battle. Next question. The headquarters of the United Nations is located in which city? Correct answer, New York. The headquarters of the United Nations is in New York City, USA. It was established in 1945 after World War II. Next question. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere. It makes up about 78% of the air. The symbol of nitrogen is N2. Next question. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Correct answer, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is also a country. It's surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Next question. Who is known as the father of economics? Correct answer, Adam Smith. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. He wrote the famous book The Wealth of Nations in 1776.